Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into how to create cross-team collaboration projects on Asana, the 2025 guide. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Asana account. If you don't have one, it's simple and quick to create. Now, why is this important? Well, Asana is our workspace, the place where all the magic happens, so you need to be in to make the most of it. Next up, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll notice the plus button. Click on that and select Create Project. This step creates a new space for your collaboration project. The reason we do this is to ensure each project has its own unique space, making it easier to manage and track. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the crux of the project, defining the project's details. You'll see fields to input the project name, description, and privacy settings. Fill these out based on your project's requirements. This helps us because it gives us a clear overview of the project, and by setting the right privacy settings, we ensure that only the right people have access to it. Once you've completed these fields, it's time to add your team members. You can do this by clicking on the Add Members button and typing in their email addresses. This step is crucial because it's all about collaboration, and adding team members to the project is where the collaboration begins. Now, let's set up the project structure. Asana offers two options, List and Board. The list is a traditional to-do list, while the board gives a more visual representation of tasks. Pick the one that suits your team's working style best. Let me explain why this matters. The right structure can enhance productivity and ensure everyone knows what to do and when. Last but not least, click on Create Project. Your cross-team collaboration project is now live. You can start adding tasks and deadlines, assign them to team members, and track the project's progress. This step brings everything together and sets the project in motion. And just like that, you've just created a cross-team collaboration project on Asana. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and transparent for all team members to ensure a successful collaboration. Until next time, happy project managing.